Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I hope everyone's having a good week so far. I'm just coming on today to share some ring-bound notebooks that I created, and I haven't even decorated them yet. I was actually watching the Hop. It's the Cute and Crafty Hop this past weekend, and the girls did an amazing job, and they were creating projects using the Cute and Crafty by Doodlebug. And I did buy that collection, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to bust this out because I got, you know, so much inspiration from the girls, all the different projects that they had shared on the Hop. And then I caught Christian's live a couple of days ago, I think. I was creating all kinds of cute little projects and embellishments. Anyway, I decided to bust out my Cute and Crafty. And while I was chatting with, you know, the girls on the live, I was making this little cute notebook. And I thought this would be a cute project and easy. I was looking for something quick and easy, just something to, you know, pass the time. And I remember I had this Happy Planner. Where is that thing here? It's a Happy Notes. And I had gotten it on clearance at Michael's. Was it Michael's or... It was either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I want to say Michael's, but I could be wrong. Anyway, it was only like $3 something. And yeah, because I got it on clearance. And it comes with just the notes, you guys. Just this right here. And it is purple or lavender on the side here, but it doesn't quite go. But, it, you know, it looks okay. There's no purple in the Cute and Crafty, but... I didn't mind that. So anyway, it just made it easy because all I needed to do was just, I changed the cover obviously because I wanted to use the Cute and Crafty paper, and then I just, you know, kind of lined this up so I knew exactly where to put my holes. And so I made a cover, which I haven't laminated yet because I decided I'm gonna decorate it first and then laminate it. And anyway, but look how cute these papers are. And Christian was, when I actually joined the live, her live, she was doing it looked like a traveler's notebook or a junk journal or something. And she was decorating hers. And that's what kind of gave me the idea, oh, you know, I have this ring-bound notes. I can totally just cut some papers, punch them out using my We Are Memory Keepers disc punch, and then I can just decorate it later. So I haven't decorated it, as you can see here, but there are some of the papers, and then the notes right here, which I love. And the back is like that, and I did stamp it already because then I can laminate it. And then I thought, because I had my Halloween papers out as well, and I'm trying to smash one of my the Simple Stories Happy Haunting, because, you know, I want to use it up. And so I started just cutting away, and this is all the scraps I have left from that kit. And I do have lots of stickers and ephemera still, and these cut aparts here. But I thought, you know, this would be fun to do too. So I did this one. And for the cover, I did round the corners because I like to do that, especially when I laminate it, because then you don't have these sharp edges poking at you. So far, I put the sticker here. This, again, is from the Simple Stories. And I even folded it on the back there. And then I just you know, I only had so many papers left, so even though this is kind of sideways here, see how the bats are? It's okay because I figure I'm gonna decorate it. I'm gonna cover that up. And but yeah, it's just a great way to you know, use up your papers. And I did measure this out to be let's see, I believe it's 4 1/4 by 9.5. And I think it's just a tad smaller than the original cover right here that from the notebook that I bought. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I was chatting with my friend Bernadette, and I told her I was gonna laminate the covers, and she was saying she didn't know how to laminate. She has one of those mink laminators, but she's never used it. And so I thought, you know what, I have my laminator here. I'm gonna go ahead and share how I do it. But I thought I would decorate this first so that then I can laminate it afterwards, because you know it's very plain and I want to decorate it. And this is a great way to do it, you know, laminate it first so that way everything stays on, you know, on the front. Unless you're going to decorate it with some bulky embellishments, then of course you don't want to laminate it. You'd probably have to laminate and then decorate. But since I want to keep everything relatively flat, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this since I already started. Okay guys, so my laminator is ready, and I decided instead of putting sequins, I wanted to use up the stickers because I absolutely love these cute little bats with the gingham. I just like it. Okay, so anyway, I just put a few more stickers here, and I think that's it. I think it's super cute. So all I'm gonna do is use a laminating sheet, and this is an 8.5 by 11, I believe. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick this. Let me just move this over. Okay, so I open my laminating folder here, and then I'm just going to stick this in here. And I think I'm just gonna cut it so I can still use this laminating sheet. You know, we don't want to waste it, so I always leave about 1/8 of an inch border at least when I laminate. you know, a border around what I'm laminating. So I'm just gonna cut this like so. And sometimes I don't even do this ahead of time. I will just laminate and then cut afterwards. But I don't know. I feel like just cutting it now. Okay. So then as you can see, it's a little bit closer to size. And like I said, I have about maybe 1/8 of an inch around. Although I might even trim this further. So then all I do after you've turned it on, after it's on ready, so it's going to have a green light. It's hard to see, but that's on. There it is. And then you just insert it right here. So Bernadette, I hope you're watching. And then look how easy that is. And you just insert and wait, and it'll just come out from this end here. And now what I will do is, since I already have that punched out, I can just take my this one here, right? My We Are Memory Keepers, and put that aside. And I'm not sure, I think I may have to cut this further. Let me see. Because of course it's not gonna line up. I think I'm gonna cut that all the way to the edge. That's just my preference, just because of the way I have this, you know, this is, I want it to line up. And if I don't cut that edge, this part will show. The inner page will show. I hope that made sense. You know, it's not going to line up. If I put this through, it's not going to line up with the holes. So all I'm going to do is just take my cutter again. And this is, I should use a different cutter, but for the sake of time, I'm going to do it here. I went ahead and just cut that off, which is okay for me because, you know, that's not going to bother me. And then I will just line this up. I leave this part open so that I can see the hole, and I can line it up with this hole right here, just for the first one. And then for the second one, I can actually just use the guide. Let me just make sure it lines up, because this is a happy planner, so it might be a little different. I think it is, though, the same as far as lining up. I think it should line up. Let's see. Is it there? Oh, it's a little off. That's okay. I'm gonna just eyeball it and just not use the guide, but use that. Use your corner chomper to round your corners. Where is it? And I just use the 1/4 inch, or the 1/4 inch rounder. so. I need to cut this down a little bit. It's not quite 1/8 inch on the side here. And then I'm gonna round it again. Okay, so that looks pretty good. That is my cover. I already put my holes, so all I need to do is just stick this on here. I love these disc bound things. It makes it so much easier to create little notebooks. So this is how it came out, you guys. I love it. I went ahead and laminated both the front cover and the back cover, and I went ahead and finished decorating this one as well, and I just put stickers, the border stickers, and then the two ephemeras here, and I think it came out so cute and I love it. So just a fun, simple project. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.